Ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the sleek YouTrip card that's taken the travel scene by storm? Let's dive into the intriguing story of YouTrip and uncover the company that powers your seamless travel experiences. YouTrip, with its vibrant card and user-friendly app, has revolutionized the way we spend while traveling. It's the go-to choice for many travelers, offering competitive exchange rates, zero foreign transaction fees, and a host of other perks. But who's the genius behind this innovative platform? Unveiling the parent company. While YouTrip has become a household name in the travel community, it's actually a subsidiary of a larger financial technology company. The parent company behind YouTrip is NTUC Income. Who is NTUC Income? NTUC Income is a leading financial services provider in Singapore. It's a cooperative, meaning it's owned by its members, who are primarily working individuals in Singapore. This cooperative structure ensures that NTUC Income operates with a focus on its members' interests, rather than solely driven by profit. The synergy between YouTrip and NTUC Income. You might wonder, why would a financial services company in Singapore be interested in a travel-focused fintech startup? The answer lies in the strategic alignment between the two. NTUC Income's core mission is to provide financial security and peace of mind to its members. By acquiring YouTrip, they've expanded their offerings to cater to the growing needs of their members, especially those who frequently travel. YouTrip, on the other hand, benefits from NTUC Income's strong financial backing and extensive network. This enables YouTrip to continue innovating, expanding its services, and providing even better value to its users. The future of YouTrip and NTUC Income. With NTUC Income's support, YouTrip is well positioned to shape the future of travel finance. We can expect to see even more exciting features and partnerships in the coming years. Whether it's expanding to new markets, introducing innovative payment solutions, or enhancing the user experience, YouTrip and NTUC Income are committed to making your travel journey smoother and more rewarding. So, the next time you swipe your YouTrip card, remember the powerful partnership between this innovative fintech startup and its parent company, NTUC Income. It's a collaboration that's empowering travelers and redefining the future of travel finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.